Hello, welcome to my channel. Before proceeding to study, please subscribe to my channel. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of basic electrical and electronics engineering. We'll dive into key concepts like generation of sinusoidal AC voltage, definition of average value, RMS value, form factor and peak factor of AC quantity. Slide 1. Generation of sinusoidal AC voltage. Alternating current, or AC, is the form of electrical current where the direction of flow of electrons changes periodically. A sinusoidal AC voltage is the most common type used in electrical systems. It has a smooth, repetitive waveform shaped like a sine wave. This type of voltage is generated using the principle of electromagnetic induction, discovered by Michael Faraday. When a coil of wire rotates in a magnetic field, the magnetic flux linked with the coil changes continuously. According to Faraday's law, this changing flux induces an electromotive force or EMF in the coil. Now, the induced EMF follows a sinusoidal pattern because the amount of magnetic flux cut by the coil changes sinusoidally with time as it rotates. The voltage is zero when the coil is perpendicular to the magnetic field and maximum when the coil is parallel. This results in a waveform expressed by the equation A of t equals A maximum multiplied by sine of omega t, where A of t is the instantaneous voltage, A maximum is the peak value, omega is the angular frequency. This process repeats for each rotation, producing alternating positive and negative halves of the waveform. The frequency, number of cycles per second, is typically 50 Hz in India. Example: household electric supply in India is 230 volts RMS at 50 Hz. Significance: sinusoidal AC is easy to generate, efficient for power transmission, and supports smooth operation of motors and appliances. Slide 2. Average value of AC. The average value of an alternating quantity is the arithmetic mean of all its instantaneous values taken over one half cycle. It is not calculated over the full cycle because the full cycle average of a sine wave is zero, the positive and negative halves cancel each other out. For a sinusoidal waveform, the average value is given by the formula A average equals 0.637 multiplied by A maximum. This means the average is about 63.7% of the peak value. This value is mostly used for rectified circuits or to compare AC to its DC equivalent. Example: for a sinusoidal wave with a peak voltage of 100 volts, the average value will be 63.7 volts. Mu term: half cycle means one part of the waveform from 0 to 180 degrees, or from 0 to pi radians. Significance: helps understand how much voltage or current is effectively available during one direction of flow, useful in power supply design. Slide 3. RMS value of AC. RMS, or root mean square value, is the most meaningful value for AC. It represents the equivalent DC value that would produce the same heating effect in a resistor. Mathematically, it is defined as the square root of the average of the squares of all instantaneous values over a complete cycle. For a sine wave, A RMS equals 0.707 multiplied by A maximum. This value is always higher than the average value. It is also the standard value shown on multimeters and used in power calculations. Example: for a peak voltage of 100 volts, the RMS value is 70.7 volts. Mu term: effective value means the DC value that gives the same heating or power output as the AC. Significance: RMS values are used in almost all practical applications of AC like rating appliances, calculating power, and setting voltage levels. Slide 4. Form factor and peak factor. Let us now talk about two important ratios that describe the shape of an AC waveform. 1. Form factor is the ratio of the RMS value to the average value. It is given by form factor equals A RMS divided by A average. For a sine wave, this becomes 0.707 divided by 0.637 equals 1.11. 2. Peak factor is the ratio of the peak or maximum value to the RMS value. It is given by peak factor equals A maximum divided by A RMS. For a sine wave, 1 divided by 0.707 equals 1.414. These ratios are constant for sine waves but will change for other waveforms. Example, if A maximum equals 100 volts, then A RMS equals 70.7 volts, and A average equals 63.7 volts. Using these, form factor equals 1.11 and peak factor equals 1.414. Mu term, dimensionless means these ratios do not have units. Significance. These help in understanding the waveform's nature and in designing safe and efficient circuits. Slide 5 differences between average, RMS, form factor, and peak factor. To make it easy to compare these four quantities, let us highlight their key differences. 1. Definition. Average is the mean of half-cycle values. RMS is the heating or power equivalent. Form factor is RMS divided by average. Peak factor is peak divided by RMS. 2. Calculation base. Average is taken over half cycle. RMS is calculated over the full cycle. 3. Mathematical values for sine wave. A average equals 0.637 multiplied by A maximum. A RMS equals 0.707 multiplied by A maximum. 4. Usage. Average helps in DC equivalence. RMS is used for practical power measurements. Form and peak factor help analyze waveform shape. 5. Numerical examples. For A maximum of 100 volts. A average equals 63.7 volts. A RMS equals 70.7 volts. Form factor equals 1.11. Peak factor equals 1.414. 6. Units. Average and RMS are in volts. Form factor and peak factor are dimensionless. 7. Instruments. Meters are calibrated for RMS values. 8. Insight. Form and peak factors indicate how much the waveform deviates from the average or RMS, helping in design. 9. Example. 230 volts AC in homes is an RMS value. Peak voltage equals 230 divided by 0.707 equals approximately 325 volts. This clear distinction helps in selecting the right values while designing and analyzing AC circuits.